Hey, it's Sharon here, your guitar guide, helping you find your sound. And today we're going to learn some basic chords. And today we're learning the C7th. Hey, so before we get started on this lesson, if you check this channel out and you like it, go ahead and subscribe. There's the button right there. Don't forget to go over to YourGuitarGuide.com. Lots of guitar tips and tricks, and check it out. Let's learn the C7th, and it's basically the C with the 7th in there, which is your pinky on the 3rd string. So 3rd finger, 5th string, 3rd fret, 2nd finger, 4th string, 2nd fret, 1st finger, 2nd string, 1st fret, and then your pinky will be on the 3rd string, 3rd fret. So basically make the C and then put your pinky on the 3rd string, 3rd fret. That's a C7th. Hey, can you give me a thumbs up showing that you like the video? And thanks.